Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 12th, and this is my analysis of the DXY and the US dollar index. Starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this is the end of an ABC correction. If that is the case, this is a wave 1. Most likely this move up right here is a wave 2, and I still think it's going to go down eventually and make a big old wave 3, probably a wave 4, and a wave 5. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's keep going down to the weekly time frame and switch back to the dollar index. On the dollar index, I do believe that this right here is the downtrend. That is the wave 1. I think this is an A, B, C, D, E, most likely part of a wave 2. I still think it needs to go up a little bit more to finish off this trend, possibly to one of these two fib levels before we get the continuation of the downtrend for the big wave 3 that I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where you can really see the high lows that this market has been making this whole time. I still don't see any end of a trend. I still don't see any reason to think that this move down is anything beyond a correction to the move up, and that we're not going to go up to one of these fib levels. Like I said, I would expect the 50 or the 61.8 to get hit before we really do make a bigger move to the downside. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. I actually think this move down is more likely a wave A, and that this move up is probably a wave B, and that it should go down again for a wave C. I think whatever's happening today is most likely going to be setting itself up for the CPI news that we have for the dollar tomorrow. Seems like it most likely is going to end up looking something like this to end the correction at the news tomorrow on Wednesday. So let's head right down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I do see the possibility that this is one of those irregular ABC corrections, and this is already the end of the correction. If that's the case, this very easily could just keep on trending up, so we definitely want to keep that in mind. But looking at this, I mean, to me it does look a little more like a trend, like this is a wave A. It looks to me like this very easily could be a correction and maybe make a bounce off one of these fib levels. So if you do see an impulsive move down, you do see a break of structure, that's going to tell us that this is most likely a wave B, and that's going to be a pretty good sorting opportunity, or a pretty good opportunity on some of these dollar pairs to trade a wave C. And then, like I said, I think the most likely thing to happen tomorrow at the news is that this is going to end the wave C and probably continue the uptrend up towards that 50% or maybe even beyond that for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.